What we're all doing here today is we brought these kids along to a fun field trip to the North Arlington bowling alley so they can have a nice refresher and breather from Pershing Field. Obviously, this is new to them, along new for me since last year. We did not have a bowling alley, so it's always nice to have something new within this job position.
So my role here is a camp counselor, and we're here today for a field trip. We're doing bowling with the kids, and it's a lot of fun. Everyone has their friend groups, counselors are bowling as well, and it's just a lot of fun. So anytime we have a rainy day, we take the kids into the rink. You know, we have arts and crafts, we play with them, whether it's volleyball, football. We honestly let the kids have their creativity go beyond the limits. We can really just give them pen and paper and they can do multiple, thousands of things they want. So really, once it's a rainy day, the creativity really starts.
So easy, hard, doesn't matter. As long as we know what we're doing with them and they know what they're doing afterwards, that's what matters, because we're all in this together. It's one big family, and with a family, we all grow together and learn from each other.
To be honest, I expected more arguments. You know, kids really like to be competitive, so I expected a lot of arguments about who's winning and who's not, but so far it doesn't seem like that's what's happening.
When I first came here though, I was kind of scared, but then I made some new friends and I had a good time. And then I enjoyed going to these field trips and especially going to the pool.
Let's go recreation camp.